Hey, what's up? It's ቪnny Тен once again here at ቪnny Тен Рaciｎգ. We always start out in this part of the building, which is where we do our engine assembly. It seems that it's head week. Keep your mind out of the gutter. So we took apart the VQ35 to snatch the heads off of that, which is already off. I've actually ported them. I'm going to go show you that in a few minutes. We have these broken down right here. We're just waiting for the parts to come in. It's going to need new cam carriers and new camshafts. I mean, it just tore itself to bits. Whoever put that together just had really no idea what they were doing. Okay, so Steve's manning the desk. Steve, you got a car to tune today?
Yeah.
All right, you gonna jump on that?
Yeah.
I'll roll the boys around? Okay, great. All right, we got Lucas over here, always our #1 guy. He does a lot of our in and out work. This car right here is getting a fuel pump, some TGV. It's getting, what else besides the TGV?
Some new injectors.
Oh, new injectors and a fuel pump. And speaking of fuel pumps, when your car's coming in for a fuel pump, do us a favor and not fill the tank to full, okay? Not that hard of a concept to understand, okay? You're gonna do fuel work, you wanna have as little as fuel in the car. Thank you. Keep coming. Hold on, we got noisy Joey over here. Joey, can you hold off with the lift for a second as we're filming? Thank you, appreciate it. Oh, hey, anyway, Joey, actually, really cool car. I got a quick story about this car. He denies it, but it's the only car I've ever seen of this caliber. It's a cool car. He's actually coming in because the fuel line's actually rotted in this car. So we're basically gonna build him a new fuel system. Joey's actually going to build a new fuel system from the fuel pump hat all the way forward. But what's a great story about this, and Joey does a phenomenal job. He actually, he just finished, if you noticed, no more pickup truck. Joey got that job finished, dropped the cab on it, fired up, started up, one shot, out the door. So he's doing a phenomenal job here. Quick story about this car. I was driving home one night, and I forgot what I was driving, but it was either my Xterra or my pickup truck. And this guy passes me. So I'm like, you know what, F it, I'm gonna fucking chase him down a little bit. So I'm chasing him down a little bit. Let me tell you something, we were going on a loop parkway, which has got a nice S-turn. This guy buried me. I mean, buried me. He was gone through this S-turn, or chicane, whatever you want to call it, going from the beginning of the Wantagh onto Loop Parkway. It's a nice little S. Gone. So this guy knows how to drive. It's a very unassuming car, and it's a badass. And certainly surprised me. I didn't know him at the time. Later on came on as a customer, and I said, hey, were you over here? And he's like, no, that wasn't me. And I'm like, oh, okay. All right, so we got Jarek. Jarek obviously finished that 392 Charger with the Vortex-styled supercharger on it. Got it done, did the tranny, did the motor. Went on the dyno over the weekend, made 750 horsepower. Super winner, again, on that car, big build, no runs, no leaks, no drips, no runs, no errors. Car fired up on the dyno, it's already delivered. Again, this is a shop that produces just a ton of work. Come on, I'll show you what I was doing all day Saturday. All right, so all day Saturday, well, not all day Saturday, but part of Saturday, I was obviously, I took those heads apart. I think that was on Friday. Got them all broken down by Friday night. And then I pocket ported real quick. I left it set up for you so you can see the little pocket porting that's going on there. Nothing big, nothing crazy. Just to take out any kind of manufacturing defects, any kind of bullshit stuff that they have in there. Try to round it out a little bit on the intakes, just clean up the exhaust. Try to make it less turbulent. These are turbo heads, so we can get away with a little bit more on those heads. And again, it's just a pocket port. We got them both done. This is going to the machine shop. We are going to put a 1mm valve over that and obviously deck the heads, and then we'll bring them back and we'll adjust them. And then over here we got Steve. I think Steve's going to tune something today. Might be ready to tune. What's going on with this car?
Well, we just put in a 𝐷𝚗𝐼 anti-stumble kit. We tuned it previously, so now we got to do is clean it up. That's it.
Okay. You're going to make some pulls on it?
Yeah, I'll make some pulls on it. Maybe we'll make some more power. Who knows? A nice day.
It is a nice day. It's a nice, cool, dry day today. The first one in a long time. Anyway, that's what's going on this week, or even today at ቪnny ТеН Рaciｎգ. We got a bunch of reels that we're going to get back to. But in the meantime, we're going to have another knockout week.